Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Nataleigh Marie and I have some valuable info for you if you are an actor who is following me right now. So, this is what this video is going to be about. It is the 3 ways to get content for your showreel when you actually have no credits. Let's be honest, everyone starts from somewhere and you cannot just expect to get a gig without showing your talent. They don't care the fact that you think that, that whole age-old question, but I need experience in order to get work, but I need work in order to get experience. We get it, but there are other ways. We just have to put our noggins on, our creative caps on, and this is how we do it. These are my 3 ways of how I create a showreel without any credits. By the way, disclaimer, literally 0 credits, like not even going on Star Now and getting free work. I mean, you can do that and you can build your showreel like that, and it actually is quite easy, especially when you don't have anything behind you, because a lot of people look for things that you don't necessarily need experience for. Like, it could be just extra work or a one-liner here, a one-liner there. But if you actually want to show your acting chops in these showreel scenes, I would probably do this instead, and probably would have done this a lot earlier if I thought about it. Number 1, do a scene. Like, literally get a scene from the internet, a movie scene, a scene from a play, any scene that is compelling, any scene that showcases you as an actor. Get that scene, get another friend, get another actor, create the scene, as in costumes and props and things like that, and film it. Film that scene, edit it together. Put it on your showreel. Make sure that there's more shots of you because this is your scene, but at least it's easier because you bounce off someone else. I know a lot of people or a lot of places that do acting lessons do offer this as a service to create a showreel. They will ask you to create a scene or get a scene, or they'll help you out, they'll film it, they'll edit it. So if you don't want to do the editing part, they can do it. But if you literally don't want to rely on anyone, I would do that. Second, if that is not up your alley for whatever reason, because I actually think that's super fun because that's what you would be doing anyway. You would be doing scene work, and scene work's so fun. What I would do is do a monologue. If you literally cannot get anyone to help you out, if you don't have the money to get that service, do some monologues. Find monologues, they're everywhere. Remember, read the play first before you actually do the monologue, because you don't want to be that one person who doesn't do that, and then someone who really knows the play really well then figures out that you actually have no idea who the character is due to context issues. Just a little FYI. Monologue. Find one, do a couple, do 3, do contrasting ones so that you can show your range. Number 3, if you have done any showcases, if you've done any acting classes, if you have footage of that and they allow you to put that in your showreel, do that. Put that in your showreel. Only issue is to make sure that the quality is actually good. I'm not talking about your acting, but the actual video and sound quality, because sometimes they can be quite shite. So make sure that 1, people can see your face because that's where all the emotion is, and that's what we're looking for. 2, that the sound is great because we don't want to think that you're yelling at us or that you're really quiet when really you're actually just a normal pitch. Get those, they're little gems, put them in. What I want you to remember is that this is not forever, this is just to get you started. So as soon as you get some professional stuff, take it out, put the professional stuff in, and there you have it. So those are my 3 things that you could do to create a showreel with no credits. Bonus, by the way, the other thing that you could probably be doing is creating a library. So what we do now is we don't rely on just one showreel to showcase everything. A showreel is actually literally supposed to be 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes long. That's not enough sometimes. So give them a library depending on what you're going for. Create little sizzle reels. So 1 for action, 1 for drama, 1 for comedy, 1 for romance, 1 for American, 1 for British, showcasing your different accents. Little sizzle reels about 30 to a minute long. Put them on your Vimeo library and create a whole library for casting directors to look at, and then they can kind of pick and choose what they want to see. But what's also good is that you can actually put sound bites on there, meaning you can showcase your voice. So if you're doing any voiceover work, commercial work, your voice is super important. Now, how you do this is also creating accents. If you have a plethora of accents under your belt, you want to showcase that. Do a scene, do a little bit of monologue, do a little bit of a commercial or something, bit of content, and put an accent on, and then you put those sound bites on that library. That's a little bonus tip. I hope you guys loved this video because it took me a while to film it due to the fact that I can't see whether I'm in focus or not. I would like to thank my dad for coming up here to be my little dummy while I focus the actual camera. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more videos on business, acting and mindset. And if you have any burning questions about what you've heard today or anything else regarding business, acting or mindset, please give me a comment in the below because I would love to make a video for you. Awesome. Well, I hope you have a lovely rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.